Show you the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.